Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with you and me tonight. Do you mean she's asking if she can go to the movies with you and I tonight? No, she asking if she can go to the movies with you and me. It's you and I. You and me. You and I. No, 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 no. Are you also confused whether to use you and me or you and I? Well, it looks like you're not the only ones. In this video today, I have an English grammar hack that will solve this problem in a snap. So if you're ready, let's get started. I've been in your waters. So let's do this. Hey, what's happening? I'm always glad to see you back here. And if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Anna. Welcome to the channel, where my goal is to help fellow non-native English speakers to improve their interaction skills, to foster better communication, and also interesting conversations. So if that is something you think you might be interested in, please do hit the subscribe button down below and also tap the notification bell just so you know if I have anything new out. So, which one is correct? Is it you and I or you and me? Well, both are actually correct. It just depends if you're focusing on the subject of the sentence or the object of the verb in the sentence. You look more confused now. But don't worry, like what I said in the beginning, I have a super easy hack for you to know which one to use. But first, I feel like it's my duty to explain to you why it is the way it is. So let's go back to the basics. Let's talk pronouns. What are your subject pronouns? I, he, she, it, they, and we, right? What about your object pronouns? Me, him, her, them, and us. So as you can see, I is a subject pronoun. Me is an object to the verb pronoun. Is that clear? Good. So now identify if you, the speaker, is the subject of the sentence or the object of the verb in the sentence. Let's go back to our example. Let's go back to the girls who were arguing in the beginning of this video. Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with you and me tonight. Do you mean she's asking if she can go to the movies with you and I tonight? As you can see, the speaker is not the subject of the sentence. She is an object to the verb of the sentence. So the correct sentence is, hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with you and me tonight. Now let's make the speaker the subject of the sentence. This is how the question should be. Hey, can you and I go to the movies with Karen tonight? In that example, I is the subject of the sentence, so that sentence is correct. All you have to do is identify if the speaker is the subject of the sentence or the object of the verb in the sentence. But don't worry, I get you. I know it's going to be hard to identify the subject of the sentence and the object of the verb in the sentence while in conversation. So here it is. Here is my English grammar hack for you. But before that, if you're getting value from this video so far, please give me a thumbs up right now. So here is the English grammar hack for you to know whether to use you and me or you and I. This is all you have to do. Drop the you. Drop the you like it's hot and find out if your sentence still makes sense. Let's go back to our example. Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with you and me tonight. That's the first sentence. So let's drop the you. Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with me tonight. It still makes sense, right? What if we use the other sentence? Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with you and I tonight. Let's drop the you. Hey, Karen wants to know if she can go to the movies with I tonight. Oh, that sounds awful, right? It doesn't make sense. So the correct form is you and me in this sentence. How about we use the other example? Hey, can you and I go to the movies with Karen tonight? Drop the you. Hey, can I go to the movies with Karen tonight? It makes sense, right? What if we use you and me? Hey, can you and me go to the movies with Karen tonight? Let's drop the you again. Hey, can me go to the movies with Karen tonight? That does not sound right, and it is incorrect. In this case, You and I is correct. So there you go. Just drop the you. Now it doesn't always have to be you. It can be another third person. Let's say, for example, John. John and I went to the movies with Karen. Let's drop John. I went to the movies with Karen. That makes sense, right? So that is correct. Now what about this sentence? Karen went to the movies with John and me. Let's drop John. Karen went to the movies with me. So there you have it. Just drop the third person. In this case, John. Poor John, always getting dropped. Now here's my challenge for you. Which of these sentences are correct? Athos, my dog, and I are going for a run. Or Athos, my dog, and me are going for a run. Please leave your answer down at the comment section down below and I will check if you got it right. And there you have it, an English grammar hack for you to know whether to use you and me or you and I. And actually, this is only part 1 of the series I'm calling English Grammar Hack. Next week, I'll be back with part 2 of this series, so don't miss out on that. If you have any other questions about this video, please just leave me a message down at the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Hey, before I let you go, please don't forget to hit the like button down below if you found this video helpful in any way at all. I'd really appreciate it if you can also share it with your family or your friends, those people who you think will benefit from this video. Also, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and also tap that notification bell just so you know if I have anything new out. Let's also connect on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all I have for you today. And with that, I'll wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers! Comment section. Fly. Fellow non-tricycle naman ngayon. May ice cream, may tinapa. Mamaya siguro may puto. I don't know. It's okay. They're only trying to make a living. It's not their fault.